All right. Good morning. It's early morning, and S&P is just pushing. So we're cautiously bullish. We're going to remain bullish on this bad boy. Um, I'm expecting to see new highs today. We can get rid of some of these lines right here. There's not much more to say about it. Here's the trend line on the correction. I think we're going to come back here. We're still pushing up higher. That is not going to change. And today, what we're going to worry about, not worry about, but what we have to look out for is you got the job openings at 10, and you have ISM manufacturing, PMI, at 10. So that's going to be important. We want to see the economy still growing. We already think the Feds are going to raise the interest rates. I think business is responding to the idea that Feds are going to raise the interest rates. I don't think they're going to have to get too aggressive in doing it. And yet we're in a midterm election year. So these guys want the market to perform as well as it can. So that's what we'll watch for. We'll watch for results. Tomorrow, we have the ADP report, kind of in line with non-farms. So we're going to watch for that and see what the report tells us. The forecast is 495,000 new jobs. So we'll see how we come in. Hopefully we come in that strong. We come in a little lighter. It's just going to convince people that Feds aren't going to be that aggressive. And we have to keep our eye open and make sure that the economy is staying strong. But hey, you know what? Go outside, man. Look strong. The only place it looks ridiculous is in New York, where they're having an absolute COVID panic. But I'll tell you what, down south where I am, everybody's just courteous, wearing their masks, and the restaurants are packed, the bars are packed. I mean, I don't really shop, but I'll tell you what, I drive by the stores and packed, packed, everything's packed. And then 2 o'clock on Wednesday is FOMC meetings, and it's usually light volume before that. Thursday, you have balance of trade and ISM non-manufacturing. And then voila, Friday non-farm payroll and unemployment rate. So we'll get some of that information out of the way, and then the market should start moving again. So we'll probably see a pop to a high today, then a consolidation. That's what we've been seeing. We'll pop to the high in consolidation. The other interesting uh, um, um, market is the bond market or the interest rates. And that's it. This baby is rocking. Interest rates are rising, bonds are dropping, TBT is doing well. So that's our target right now, which is 1694, which is really not that far away. We should be crawling up. Momentum is looking strong. So that's it. I mean, we could still consider this a consolidation area. And I don't know. Are we going to get much higher? Yeah, I think we're going to grind up a little bit on this. I just had a thought. I just want to take another look at my daily. Yeah, I don't know. I don't. Maybe it's a fantasy. I'm kind of thinking that this year is going to be a consolidation year. I know I've talked about it a lot. I'm just trying to figure out what or where we're going to be consolidating around. Guess I should do all this work before I start recording. But look, we're making another tier, man. I don't know if we're going to see the 4,500 again. We may just consolidate around the 8 and 6. I mean, people are calling for 52. That would be fine with me. But anywho, just looking at, we still have this divergence going on the weekly, and that's something you just got to keep your eye on. It's a very steep line right there. So you can see we're just grinding our way up, and the momentum is just kind of flattening out. We need that momentum to start breaking up and making new highs. But on the weekly, I think we're looking fairly decently valued. And I just want to take a quick look at at the futures and see what it's showing us right now. Think. And look, we're building a little bear flag here on the 30-minute bull flag. See, I did it again. We're building a bull flag right there on the 30-minute. And the dailies look like they're just pushing up. They triggered a flag right here. You can see this is the run up. Here's the pendant. There's the low of the flag. Poof, it broke the flag. What's interesting is, well, I don't know if it did this first or not yesterday. But you can see it broke below the low. So this is actually the low of the flag. So this is where the fail is. So we have the low and the trigger all in the same bar, which is kind of interesting. The test of the high would be 798, and we've already blown through that. So I'm thinking today is going to be a bullish move with a consolidation towards the end of the day. So that being that, let's have a look at even the 240s. Momentum's rolling around. Still rather divergent from there to there. You can see that divergence. If anybody doesn't understand what a divergence is, or doesn't understand anything that I say, just leave it in the comments and I'll explain it. I'll point it out. Yeah, we're just grinding up, man. So we are bullish to neutral today, or bullish with a bit of caution. Just because we've run so much, so aggressively. Although I guess this is a good consolidation on the daily. I'm going to have two dailies. And last but not least, I want to look at TBT, man, because I hope everybody took advantage of this. We were talking about it. Everybody should have done their homework and seen if this investment was good for them and made their decision. But yeah, you know, we were talking about this in the 15s. And I do see like a $22 to $28 number on this. So it's never too late. And then get in some now so you don't miss it. If it pulls back, you get in some more, and that's how you play it. But look at that, man! It just shot up. It broke the high. That would have been an entry if you were trading at that 1731, and then just made the move. I mean, really here, you get this little hammer, but this is the open. That's the first place you got to trade it. Would have been a nice entry though. So anyway, that's it, man. Keep your eye out on the news today. Keep in mind that we have non-farm payrolls on Friday. Should be kind of a quiet market, so maybe a slow grind up into Friday, and then we'll see where we go from there. I really don't think that there's going to be any surprise in information or news. Really, everybody. I mean, we're kind of at a comfortable place. If the Feds decide to raise the interest rates, earnings are good. Everybody's kind of comfortable with it. So now we just buy value. That's it. Just look for value. So that being said, everybody have a good morning. Everybody be calm and cool. Get a little meditation. You should trade in peace, and good luck trading.